In this particular video, I want us to look at how you can be able to work out IGCSE questions in physics which involve forces. And if you are given a question whereby you are told that there are two forces acting on an object, one force acting on this point, another force acting on this other direction, then you need to work out the resultant force. And for you to work out the resultant force is you are going to subtract these two forces because they are acting in opposite directions. And then now in the case whereby you have 5 and 5, you say 5 minus 5, and that is going to translate to 0. So which means this object has two balanced forces. When you have two forces acting in the same direction, you are going to consider that as a single force, and this single force is going to be the sum of the two forces. We are going to add 3 plus 7, which is going to give you 10. So which means that these two forces that we have here can be represented by these two forces can be represented by one force which is equivalent to 10 newtons. But if you have one force pulling this direction and another force pulling that direction, the resultant force is going to act in the direction where there is a greater force. So which means this is going to be 7 minus 3, which is going to 4 newtons. And these 4 newtons now, this is the resultant force which is going to act in this direction. Now suppose we have two people pulling this side and one person pulling the other side. This object is going to move in this particular direction where there is a greater force. That's exactly what you're going to learn when it comes to resultant forces.